Hello everybody, welcome to the barn where we party hard but hustle harder. It's midweek, it's Wednesday, we're halfway through the week before you close your first sale. By now, you should have already created your brand. You should know what problem you're going to solve, for whom, and how to have this content clarity map such that you're an effortless content pumping machine. And if you haven't reached this stage yet, chances are you haven't watched my video yesterday, which I want you to go and do so before watching this, as it will make things way clearer for you. If you watched yesterday's episode and you're still struggling with this, I know the concept can be a bit tricky and a YouTube video may not be the best way to get this message through, and this step is very fundamental. Please feel free to hit me down in the comment section down below or on my Instagram DMs at billionairesbun, and I swear someone will reply you and will get this sorted for you, as it's so important that you get this right for everything you'll be doing moving forward. Anyways, for the majority of you that I hope, you have this map laid out, so making content should now become very easy. And I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to use this to, become where you want to be with your content and literally be able to turn anything into content for solving your one objective. For example, let's say today you went for a swim in the morning, okay? Just a swim. Which I did today. How would I turn that into content? So I look at my content map and see where can it fit in. Is it in mindset, financial literacy, or growth on social? So let's take mindset. So I would go with the angle. Today early in the morning, I woke up when it was very cold. And when most people are sleeping, that requires a level of discipline and a mindset which most people don't have. Now you can replicate this same thing into your business through mindset, right? And shifting it and pushing outside your comfort zone, and that will help you with the success you need to grow your social media platform to earning $5,000 within 6 to 12 months. So you can always push anything in your life through that way. Another way you could take the swimming. Let's say I wanted to try and swim 10 kilometers, okay, today, or 10 meters or whatever. Yeah, we could use that like growth on social, because swimming 10 kilometers is very much like trying to get 10,000 followers. So you can talk about how it's tricky, but you just go one length at a time, and slowly but surely you'll get there. So you see, it's just pushing it through these pillars. Now guys, I have something absolutely amazing designed for you by my team. Below in the description box, you'll find a list of 30 topics that should give you a whole month worth of content. For example, I've written the first few ones for you here. So like number one is sharing the progress to a solution, that a problem that you had that your ideal customer struggles with. For example, I could say most people struggle to get to 10,000 followers on Instagram. The reason may be this, and that. But for the sake of this video, we're going to touch on engagement. To grow to 10,000 followers, you want to be engaging on other people's posts, liking, commenting on them. You get? So you give them a solution to this problem that they're having. Another thing is share something transformational that helped you with your business. So I would come and talk about the time I first spoke to my client, how nervous I was, but that confidence leap helped me. So down in the description box below, all you literally have to do is go to my website billionairesbun.com and just sign up with your email and literally get all our workbooks for free moving forward. Now hopefully with that list of content and with this way of thinking about your content moving forward, making content will become effortless. This whole process is known as bounded creativity. And how it works is very simple. Did you know it's much harder to come up with content when you're given a blank canvas? Like if I rubbed this board and told you to draw, instead, like with those kids coloring books, if I draw an outline for you and told you to color it, it'd be much easier. And the reason for this is, although you're giving yourself a large room to work with, you're putting yourself in a somewhat box, so your creativity can't just go anywhere and you're forced to think in a given direction. It's very procedural. So these are events that occur in your life, okay? A, B, C, right? Now you're going to run it through like this funnel to reaching this objective. And through that way, you've trained your brain to think in one particular path. And by doing so over and over again, making content should come effortless. I struggle with that word, guys. You've seen me 2 or 3 times. But the concept is very, very simple, right? Keep on practicing with it. Use your map. And with time, things will become easy. I'm not going to tell you that your first video is going to be automatically very joyful and blissful and you just step in front of the camera and have the highest amount of charisma. No, this is a process. Be patient with yourself and give yourself time to understanding this method, and eventually making content. Let me seriously tell you, like nowadays, like I plan my videos early in the morning the day I want to shoot, and it's like rubbing a hot knife through a stick of butter. Hopefully this concept now is very easy for you and you understand how to use this map much more effectively. The list of content ideas is down below for you guys. And now catch me tomorrow where we can start getting a bit more meatier and juicier, where we're going to go over exactly how to plan out your content effectively and how to batch shoot to ensure the most optimum use of your time. And you're going to get that right here. And for now, I hope this has made sense. And for now, peace.